Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix your system administrator disabled the display control panel in Windows 11, 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand policies, click Explorer. Open No Control Panel, change value data to 0. Restart Windows Explorer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.